Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use airplane landing distance graphs. First, locate your aircraft's current weight on the graph's horizontal axis. Then, move vertically to your pressure-altitude line. From there, proceed horizontally to the temperature line, interpolating if necessary. This initial point sets the stage for accurate distance calculations, ensuring a safe and informed landing decision for every flight. Next, you'll need to adjust for various environmental factors. From your previous point, move vertically to the wind component line, accounting for headwind or tailwind. Then, apply corrections for runway slope, adding distance for uphill and subtracting for downhill. Finally, factor in the runway surface condition. A wet runway, for example, requires a significantly longer distance than a dry one. These adjustments are vital for precision. Once all adjustments are made, read the basic landing distance from the graph's vertical axis. This value represents the distance needed under the specified conditions. Remember to apply any required safety factors, which might be 1.67 for certain operations, to ensure an adequate margin. Always compare this final calculated distance to the actual available runway length to confirm a safe landing is possible. Safety is paramount. To master landing distance graphs, consistent practice is key. Always recalculate your landing distance if conditions change significantly during your flight, such as unexpected wind shifts or temperature drops. Familiarize yourself with your aircraft's specific performance charts and understand their limitations. And speaking of making things better, life's too short for a stinky car, so check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Safe flying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.